Hi! In this video I would like to show you how I made this bracelet inspired by Lucy Gray Baird from the Hunger Games movie, A Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel. If it's not, welcome back. Sizing for this bracelet can be changed by increasing or decreasing repetitions of the pattern to fit comfortably around your wrist. For this bracelet we are going to need elastic string. I like to use string that has a size of 0.5 millimeter and 0.019 inch. We are also going to need beads and scissors to trim off our string and later to trim off any excess string, and be careful with your scissors because scissors are sharp. For our pattern we're going to start with 3 white beads. So 1, 2, 3. 1 light pink, 3 light yellow, 1 light green, 3 light yellow, 1, 2, 3, 1 blue, 3 white, 2, 3, 1 light pink, 1 dark pink, 1 matte dark pink, 1 orange, 1 matte orange, and 1 red. And here's what this pattern looks like. So we would just keep going with that pattern until all 104 beads are strung on. After we've tied off our bracelet string and trimmed off the excess, we will have completed our bracelet inspired by Lucy Gray Baird from A Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes. Time for a fashion show! Here is what this bracelet looks like on me. So there's what that looks like. And let's try it on the right hand. So there's what it looks like on the other hand. Thank you very much for watching and happy bracelet making. Here's hello from the kitty. Yes.